Now we're going to show you how you can access this amazing tool, Book Creator, inside of Canvas. Why would you want to do this? There's a couple of reasons why I would do it. And the first reason, for me, it's because your students do not have to have a join code to join your class. They don't have to go and type it into their computers to join your class. The moment they go to your first assignment inside of Canvas, they're automatically put in the library that is created by you. You also have the ability to grade their books inside of Canvas. So if you were trying to do grade passback between Canvas and Aries, you're going to be able to do it through here. And also you can add an end date and a due date. Okay, so those are the reasons why I would do it. It's just a lot easier, okay? Your students wouldn't have to go through ClassLink at all to join. So I'm in here, my Canvas course, and depending on how you assign, it could be through modules or it could be through assignments. I'm going to go to assignments just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to click there. And then here, I'm going to create a new assignment. So you could have gone through modules and create a new assignment, and it would have taken you to this particular step right here, okay? So I'm going to add a title. I'm just going to call it Book Creator Assignment, okay? And then you're going to give your instructions. You'll give the point value. If you use assignment groups, make sure you pick the right one. And when you go to mission type, make sure that you go to external tools. When you go to external tools, you should be able to find Book Creator in there. Okay, so notice that it's right here. Okay, so you're going to select it, and when you do that, the tool is going to look for your account, and you're going to have three options. You can create a new book, which basically is going to give the students a blank book for them to work on. Okay, you can start with a copy of a book. So we talked about remixing books or using templates. This is basically what it would do. It will create a copy of a book that you selected for each of our students so they can go work on it. And you also have the ability to have our students collaborate on the same book together. So these are your choices. Again, the students will start from a blank book, basically a blank Canva, a book that you use as a template or something that you remixed from the library, or the students are going to work together on something. Okay, so for today I'm just going to start create a new book. Is that okay?
Sure.
I'm going to create a new book, and for you might not have any libraries yet, okay? Or you might have the library that you created if you created one following the first video that we created. So if you don't have a library, just create a new library. But if you already created one, you will select that library, and I'm going to go next. And now you have the ability to say landscape, square, or portrait, whatever book you want to give. And I think that I will select landscape, just the way it looks on my screen when I use it, but that is completely up to you. You might be worried that you're not going to get the option for comic books. When you select any of these ones, you do get the option for comic books. And we'll talk about those features later. So I'm going to pick this one and go next. And it says your assignment, each student will get a book in their library. Okay, so I'm going to say finish. Is going to start, and over here make sure that you just say select. And now that you're ready, you can save, or you can save and publish so you can see what it looks like. Don't forget to give to assign whoever you're going to assign it to give a due date. So I'm going to give a due date of next Friday and also an until date of next Friday, and I'm going to save and publish. And our student is going to be able to go into their Canvas course and access that assignment, and Denise is going to show you what that looks like.
So I'm actually a student, so I am in the same course. Let me share my screen. All right, so there I am. All right, so I'm going to go to, Ricardo, it's not in modules, right? It's in assignments. Is that where it is?
It's in assignments right now, but yeah, if I would have put it in a module, it would have been there, correct.
All right, so anywhere you put it, you're familiar with how to use Canvas. Wherever you put it and your students are used to getting their assignments, that's where they would go. So I'm in assignments right now, and since you just made it, it's probably at the very bottom right here.
Mm-hmm.
Book Cater.
Sorry. Cater.
Okay. And then it says load Book Cater assignment in a new window. So I would simply click on that as a student. And then from there, it'll bring me straight into the book. So I didn't have to put a join code. I didn't have to go to Book Creator to find the library. It just brought me straight into the assignment. So this is what the assignment is, and I can go ahead and use my tools, and that's it. And my teacher will be able to see that in their speed grader when I am done.
Yeah, notice that Teresa on the top left has a place where it says turn in. So when she is finished, she will click that button to turn it in, and that's going to put it on the teacher's Canvas account. And you now as a teacher can go into SpeedGrader, find that student and be able to see the book creator and the book that they created and go through the pages in real time, just like if you were going through the book creator platform. So you're able to look at it here, you're able to give a grade, assign comments, and submit, and that's going to go in your grades.
And this is why we love doing it through Canvas, because other than setting up your library, you never really have to go back to the app. Everything is inside of Canvas. It's easier for you and also easier for your students. So that is our recommendation, but of course it is entirely up to you.